school, di ba? Akala ng mga parents is, ang gauge lang ng anak nila kung magaling, kung may ribbon pag closing. No? Kung sinong aakyat sa stage. Kung sino ang honor roll. IQ lang po yun eh. Di ba? How about yung EQ? How about yung PQ? How about yung SQ? The physical quotient, the spiritual quotient, the emotional quotient. Alam niyo po, si Hitler, napakataas po ng IQ ni Hitler. No? But what will you do, even with the high IQ? Sige, Prince. Desiderata. No? Sige, move forward tayo. Isang kanta po yan eh. But I think, next is, I am free. No? Last na po ito. No? So, I can choose my individuality, I can cherish my gifts, and I can choose my destiny. Bakit po? Anong sinabi? Destiny is not a matter of chance. It is a matter of choice. It is not a thing to be waited for. It is a thing to be achieved. No? Kung merong pinakamahalagang regalo po na ibinigay sa atin ng Panginoon, the gift that God has given us, it's the gift of freedom. And for me, it's greater than life itself. Why? Because God could take away our life, but He could never take away our freedom. Na-realize pa ba natin yan? Hindi pwedeng babawiin ng Panginoon yung freedom na yan. Di ba mas madali sana kung naging transformers na lang yung mga apostles, di ba? Robots lang na lahat yung mga apostles. He will never deal with the very dishonest Judas or the fickle-minded Peter or the doubting Thomas or the activist Simon, the Zealot party member. Hindi na po siya magkukonsumi doon. No? But you can just imagine, if you take away the choice, you take away the love. No? Kaya nga po, marami po tayo, we must realize that I can choose and the freedom and the power to choose. Yan po. Yan ang handog ng Panginoon na hindi niya po ibinigay sa kahit kaninong nilikha niya. May isang boarding house na kung saan